Hey guys, welcome back to Coding with Sagar. In this tutorial, we are going to learn about how to start activity and how to send data from one activity to another activity. Here I have already created two activities, main activity and activity 2. Now let us move to our activity main XML file. I have taken two views, edit text and button. Edit text is used to take the input and button is used to pass that input to next activity. So I move to main activity. Here I am going to declare my edit text and button, edt edit text, edt name, button, bt send. Now I am going to initialize this edit text, find view by id, r.id, edt name, button, r.id. Now I'm going to set a listener on this button. Set on click listener, new on click listener. So as I click on the button, I take the input from edit text. So I write string name, edt name, get text to string. So here I am going to declare intent object. Intent is basically used to pass data, redirecting from one activity to another activity. Intent, new, intent. The first argument of intent is main activity, which is context. This. And second argument is which activity we want to open, activity 2 dot class. Now I'm going to put a data into my intent object. So intent dot put extra. This intent take two parameters, intent name and intent value. The value is our edit text value and name is I put a hard coded value which I am going to use in second activity. Here the hard coded value name, extra name, now, and I start my activity passing with intent. So I use this extra name in my second activity to get this edit text value. So I move to activity 2 Java file. First I explain activity 2 XML file. This is text view and I am going to get the data from main activity and show on this text view. So I find this text view in my activity 2. So text view, I declare first it. I initialize this find view by id, r.id. So in order to get data from one activity to another, the get intent method is used. So I write string data get intent dot get string extra. So I am going to use that hard coded value extra underscore name. We can use constants here to avoid typos, but as of now I have used extra name for simplicity. Now I am going to set this data on text view. Now I'm going to run my app. So I start my emulator first. I'm running my app. The app is now installing. Let it install. Here it is installed successfully on emulator, and here it is my edit text. I type here my name is Sagar, and I click the button, and here I got my output. So this tutorial is now finished. So in this tutorial we have seen how to pass data from one activity. In next tutorial we are going to see how to get data back from our second activity to first activity. So if you find this video helpful, please share this video, subscribe to our channel, and let us know your thoughts in comment box below. Bye.